Number 9, Gabriele Cannarella, 2 major contenders. Number 8, Taea, and number 6, Ostra Kurrawa. Number 5, another one that can be easily in the money. Ostra is in. They're off. Racing for the first time this afternoon from Roma Capannelle. Fatimazza along the rail, white nose banner and yellow cap, Taea between horses. The second one under white nose banner, red cap, Chaos Walking. 3 in line, inside is opening, Farlon, Zerkai in fourth along the rail, Kurrawa. Total White is drifting and cruising in the midst of the pocket, covered by one of the major runner, the Red Silk of Ostra, number 6. Then comes Kinzel. Jolies is closing the pack along with Apnea. Fatimat is dictating the pace and the regular rhythm. Out wide, Chaos Walking, then Jolies and Taea in the hands of Dario Itoko. Kurrawa is racing in fifth. Park itself right behind the leading division, as well as Ostra, then Kinzel and Apnea is still the back marker of the race. Final stretch. 3.5 to go with Fatimat is carving out another fraction. Then Taea is improving under rapid progress, as well as Kurrawa down to the center of the curves with Jolies right behind the leading division. Chaos Walking and Fatima on the far side. Taea is improving again its action, shaken up by Dario Itoko as to face the opposition of Kurrawa that is making a lot of ground, eating up the pace. A match between Taea and then Kurrawa on the far side, Taea on the near side, Kurrawa in the hands of Nicola Pina that becomes prominent inside the last strides. Kurrawa is extending the way over Taea, then Ostra and Jolies on the far side, Kurrawa.